Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Cadillac SRX headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface facing a wall or garage door, about 25 feet away. This distance is crucial for an accurate adjustment. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and the fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving conditions, ensuring the vehicle's weight distribution is typical. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or sometimes a Torx bit to access the adjustment screws. These screws are usually found on the back or top of the headlight assembly, under the hood. With your vehicle still parked, turn on your low beam headlights so you can clearly see the light pattern on the wall. Now, let's adjust the beams. For vertical adjustment, turn the appropriate screw to raise or lower the light pattern. For horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to move the beam left or right. The goal is to have the top of the low beam cutoff line approximately 2 inches below your tape mark, ensuring proper visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. After adjusting, double-check both headlights to ensure they are aligned symmetrically and provide optimal visibility. Take your vehicle for a short drive to confirm the adjustments are effective and safe. Proper headlight alignment is vital for night driving safety. Also, check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.